Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 21st of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius! You could buy yourself flowers, write your name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, do things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can rub my own, and I can love me better than you can. Miley Cyrus has given us a briefing into her new relationship. The dirty blood clot. What name? I don't think we're going to call him name on this channel anymore because he is X out. Miley, all of your X out, right? The dirty pain. The pain in the ass, yes, okay, that's pain in the ass that you had, good. Now you have moved on to bigger and better things. Now Miley Cyrus just shared us some exclusive details as to what's happening with their relationship. So now she's now with the drummer. He's a drummer, okay? His name is Max Morando, okay? He is 26 years old. Miley Cyrus is 32 years old, I believe 31. Nevertheless, Miley. Okay, so you and your boyfriend is 6 years apart, Miley. Tell him, say, I'm vanilla, babe. I'll choke him, but I ain't gonna kill him, babe. He 26, but he ain't a baby, okay? Miley, congratulations. You have deserved this. You have waited, okay? You went through your breakup gracefully. She write the song, she win her Grammy, all while being single, watching the so-called man who he swear he was Rima. Watching him moving on with him life, no problem. Miley's now with the drummer, and Miley, we love to see you happy. You look great, you look healthy here, long, and I hope Max treats you better than any other man could, okay? If there's anything I know about dating younger guys, is that sometimes they're less damaged. They're more mentally stronger because they have not been boxed around by society, or they've never even started dating too much as yet. So it's really good to catch them early. So Miley Cyrus, congratulations. And we just want to sing a song for you because we know you deserve this, Miley Cyrus. Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the night's so long, 'cause there is no guarantee that this life is easy. And when my world is falling apart and I can't find a way, break up the dark, that's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. Jesus Christ, Millie will be looking at Max right now. Max, I hope you beat on Miley bottom like drums. I'm vanilla, babe. Miley, I know that you might choke Max, but don't kill him. Please, him have a show for go to. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your messages. So you see, people, you have to understand that love will always come back. And you have to understand that love is something that is inside of you. It is infinite. And it is something that you can create even if you never experience it. Even if your parents never gave you love, even if your boyfriend never gave you love, love is the only infinite emotion that you can create even though you never experience it. Your parents used to abuse you, you end up treating your daughter like a princess, like a king. You had fucked up experiences with people around you, but how is it that you're such so much this soft, loving, caring person. So even if nobody has ever shown love to you, you still can do it. It's something you still can learn for though. You can learn for love even though you never experienced it before. So never take the length of how long you've been single for, and never mistake the length of you being single for how much you are or are not loved. That's not what love is about. But remember, it starts from here. If you don't love yourself, then outwards, you're constantly be looking for somebody who will love you more than you love yourself. As soon as I do something that shows you that, oh, this person don't love me, you feel bad, you feel not worthy, you feel insecure. Because the love is supposed to be inside of you. And because it's inside of you, it starts exude out. That's why you can share it. But if you not have no love inside of you, but you see somebody with love, you're going to run, go try to take all of them on, because you don't have none. And then you're going to weak out the person, and you're going to leave the person sucked out and depleted without love. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. Let's go ahead into your reading. Let's see what your overall message is. It is a justice card, Libra. So your overall message is the justice system, or the seventh house rules partnerships and relationships. So I'm getting you're going into your next. So in the tarot deck, you have reached Sagittarius, you have reached the Libra card. The Libra card talks about the next relationship or partnership you're going on. Whether it's going to be something casual, a long-term relationship, marriage and engagement. The Libra rules the seventh house, which also rules relationship, partnerships and contracts. So I'm getting you're going to go into this new partnership. Maybe there's some type of documentation that needs to be signed. All right, let us go. So ask your question. Sagittarius, ask your question, Sagittarius. The answer to your question is the Six of Pentacles. Now, the Six of Pentacles to me is not necessarily a yes. It is you can do it, but you're not going to get what you think you're going to get from it. Like you go work, go check in a full day of work on a holiday, and they only give you 1 day's pay. They never give you holiday overtime. Two double pay bonus, basically. Basically, you were working the same hours on a holiday. So the Six of Pentacles usually is, it can work, but you're not gonna get a lot of return on it. So the energy where you put out, you're not gonna get back the same energy. So the Six of Pentacles is more so you're doing it because of goodwill, or you're doing it for a good cause. Because you're not going to get back anything you're giving out, okay? So I'm getting, unless this is something that the money don't matter, then yes, you can do it. If the money matter, you cannot. Okay? You're going to give out more energy. Worse, if this is something tangible, then you're in the hole of debt. If it's a service you're providing, different though. Other than the fact that you're going to get tired because you're providing a service. Now, what happens if you don't follow this advice? The Sun card. Whew. So if you don't follow the advice, I'm seeing happiness. So I'm getting if you don't decide to continue, so I'm getting there's something you're going to do. You're not going to make a lot of money. You see, if you decide not to do it, you'll be very happy. I'm getting you're probably going to take the day and do something else. You probably take the day and go somewhere else and you make more money there. Or you make a business engagement, a business opportunity there. So I'm getting, again, you can do it, you're not going to get a good investment. If you don't do it and decide if you don't show up the day, I'm getting you're going to feel like, you know what, I'm glad I didn't show up. You're going to feel very, very happy. Now, if you do follow it and go ahead and go to this whatever event, cause or whatever this is, we have the Fool card. Me getting if you go, there's nothing gonna be planned. You're not sure how much money you're gonna make. It's going to be very spontaneous. I'm getting it because it's a Six of Pentacles. There's not much planning. It's not a big production. It's you go there and you just freestyle. You wing it. If a customer come, them come. If you get an engagement, you do. Nevertheless, me getting you don't even care, basically. I'm getting you better off staying at home for this, whatever this is. Now, the justice system with the Six of Pentacles could also be court. You have to pay half of something, half of alimony, half of documents. It could also be child support. You're going to be paying child support. Me getting you now, pay it, you run off. Come see you go ghost, like you go another country. And if that's not it, then I'm literally getting that you're telling somebody, hey, you can keep the child if you want, keep the child, but me don't want me the child's life. I don't even want the child having my last name. But we can respect giving you money because I know say, yeah, me did have sex with you. So I'm getting the father don't want to put the child name on the birth documents. The father don't want nothing to do with the child. The father don't know if the child is theirs. I don't even think they're asking you for your DNA. Maybe they are. If they're not, they'll help you with the child occasionally, but that's it. And let's see what is your universal direction. The King of Cups. Your universal direction is a King of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, man. Now, I'm gonna say something. There could be something about this man. Him have to work a lot, or him have to. Me getting him don't have time for raise this kid. Him gonna give this kid. Him gonna give you legal ownership, legal guardian of this child. Him gonna give you 6 of Pentacles every day, every week to take care of this child while him off doing whatever the fuck him doing. Whether that's his work, maybe him is a musician. Him gonna give you 6 of Pentacles every day to take care of this kid. You are going to be the legal guardian of a child. So that's also something you can look at. Okay. We have the Empress. Yeah, the Empress may not be a mother, but she is mother energy. We have spirit attached, and I'm getting, even if you're not pregnant, I'm getting there's a motherly spirit around you but want you to take care of kids. It's a spirit. It could be the spirit of your mother. Maybe your mother passed. The Empress and spirit attached. I'm getting the universe want you to take care of. The Chariot, it could be a police officer. The police officer is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Me getting them have this baby, them want to take care of this baby. Them go and visit you often, you know, but me getting them maybe them get called like dispatch very quickly, very spontaneously. Jealous, okay? And we got the Star card and Witch Doctor. So be careful, okay? You see how Cardi B manages her I don't dance now, I make culture moves. Yeah, I don't gotta dance, I make culture moves. If you see culture and she don't speak, that means mommy don't fuck with you, right? Me getting, you don't see Cardi B balancing in motherhood as well as being a celebrity. Okay. So that is it. Now this could be the decision you have to make, whether you must sign over, say yes, you're going to care for this baby or not. I'm getting a Pisces Cancer man want you do it because them just feel like you just take better. I'm getting, even if the man is the baby's father, him say you just would have take care of the baby better. I'm getting the father say you would have take care of the baby better than even if me leave the baby now on daycare. So it's a win-win for him. So I'm getting, you gonna be taking care of the baby. When I say stop, you have to stop, okay? I'm just a baby. No. When I say to stop, you have to stop. I'm just a baby. Call is the tabernacle, suck 'em up.